Welcome to the carpentry shop of the Bahia Hotel. With almost 5 highly skilled local carpenters and joiners, we custom make our own furniture for the hotel and the famous Bar Esquina, such as dining tables, occasional tables, table arrangements, chairs, and more. Come and have a look at our handmade crafts.